with WTI, and today I would love to share with you where I make my banana bread, pumpkin bread, and all that bread I bake here at home. And it's on this non-stick cake pan. This is so practical because first of all, it's non-stick. It'll help you make the perfect pound cake. As you can see, not much will be left on the pan. It's so easy and practical to wash, which I so appreciate. And you're gonna see the material. It's very sturdy, very good material. It's very thick. I want you to see it all the way around. And the size is just ideal. The length from here to here, it's 10 inches, and the depth or the height, it's 3 inches. This helps me make the best banana breads. I love this item here in my kitchen. It makes a big difference. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.